How do you use YouTube playlist collaboration feature? To use the YouTube playlist collaboration feature, first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device. Now you simply have to generate an invite link or QR code from your playlist settings. Go ahead and tap on U icon or your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you simply have to locate your exact playlist that you want to set it to collaborate. Now, once you find the playlist itself, go ahead and tap on it. From here, you should be able to find this pencil-like icon. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you will find this collaborate option. You simply have to tap on this and enable this function. Once you do this, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on this share icon or the arrow button. From here, you will find quick share option or invite collaborators. Go ahead and tap on this invite collaborator. From here, you simply have to copy this link and send this link via message or any social media application. And the recipient now simply have to click on the link and accept the invitation itself. And they can also now use this YouTube playlist collaboratively. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.